In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the footer menu in the Wix editor. To begin, make sure you already have your site open inside the Wix editor in Chrome. This is important because the layout and on-screen controls can appear a little differently depending on the browser, and using Chrome helps ensure everything looks and behaves as expected while you follow along. Once you're in the editor, the first thing you want to do is move all the way down to the very bottom of your page view. Keep scrolling until you reach the absolute base boundary of the page. In Wix, this lower section is where the footer lives, and it's often separated visually from the rest of the page content. Take your time here, especially if your page is long, because you want to be certain you are working in the footer area and not in a nearby strip or content section. When you reach the bottom, click directly inside the footer menu element's structural boundary grid. In simple terms, this means you should click on the actual menu element in the footer, making sure the menu itself is selected. You may notice a highlighted box or boundary appear around it. That visual outline confirms that Wix recognizes the menu element you want to edit. If something else gets selected by mistake, just click again carefully inside the footer menu area until the correct element is active. After the footer menu is selected, look for the floating options panel that appears near the element. Wix typically shows a small framework bubble or toolbar with actions related to whatever you've selected. In that floating menu, choose Manage Menu. This opens the control area for the menu, so you can work with the footer navigation settings from the correct place. A helpful tip here is to avoid clicking outside the selected element before choosing the option, because doing that can deselect the menu and make the toolbar disappear. If that happens, simply click the footer menu again and reopen the floating options. This process is useful whenever you need to access the footer navigation specifically, rather than editing another menu somewhere else on the site. Being precise with where you click makes the whole workflow smoother and helps prevent confusion, especially on pages with multiple interactive elements. And that's it. You've now selected the footer menu in the Wix editor and opened the Manage Menu option from the floating element controls, which is the correct starting point for making footer menu changes.